All right, folks, today we're doing something different. Gonna build myself a flying machine. Look at all these tiny pieces. Hope I don't lose any in the sand. These instructions are smaller than my thumbprint, but I think this goes here. There we go. One flying machine ready for takeoff, I think.
Now we're talking. Look at that beauty fly.
Whoa! You guys got to see this footage. I look like an ant out there.
Well, folks, that's a wrap. Who knew this old Bigfoot could master modern technology?